Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Accord AC not blowing cold air. First, let's check some simple things. Begin by inspecting your cabin air filter. A clogged filter can severely restrict airflow. Next, look at your car's condenser, located in front of the radiator, for any visible debris or damage. Finally, have someone turn on the AC while you observe the compressor clutch to ensure it engages properly. If your AC is blowing warm air, low refrigerant is a very common culprit. Refrigerant leaks can occur due to damaged hoses, seals, or connections. You can use a leak detection kit, often with UV dye, to pinpoint the exact location of any leaks in the system. Once any leaks are repaired, the AC system will need to be properly evacuated and recharged with the correct amount of refrigerant to restore cold air. Electrical issues can also prevent your AC from blowing cold. Check the AC compressor relay and associated fuses in your underhood fuse box. A faulty relay is a common and inexpensive fix. Also, the AC pressure switch, typically found on the refrigerant lines, can prevent the compressor from engaging if it's not functioning correctly. Lastly, a blend door actuator, located behind the dashboard, might be stuck, directing warm air instead of cold. While many AC issues can be resolved with some DIY effort, certain complex repairs, like evaporator leaks or compressor replacement, are best left to a certified professional. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and fix intricate problems safely. Remember, regular maintenance, such as checking refrigerant levels and cleaning components, is crucial for preventing future AC problems. For those looking to enhance their home, consider bringing your space to life with a smart speaker. Check the description below for a link to this product and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.